these are not the problems. So the problems we get in communication, personality, and education. It's related between cognitive skills and values. Then the teacher will cognitive strategy. And the function of the teacher is a mediator to help the student finding their own knowledge or their own opinion, finding meaning from the word, from the sentences, to make the sentences. And then those are the parts of cognitive strategy. To make students get knowledge and understanding, it means that the teacher we have to understand about the structure of lessons, of the relationship between people and what we have to learn to students.